So, how was the experience using the Flight Simulator Challenge?
It was quite fun, actually. Secretly, I got a little bit of coaching from your colleagues and mine, but it was fun, definitely.
Great. Talking about RTI or data and analytics, AI technology, let's say, from your Europe perspective, like where do you see the biggest changes? Any specific industries or anything that stands out for you?
Oh, I definitely see a lot of changes. I see a big difference between organizations that are looking to implement AI, and then there's a lot of organizations that are maybe a little bit more conservative and want to sit this one out a bit. But I think in general, where I see the biggest opportunity is to really get down from the AI talk to actual impact and use cases. So this is a challenge where I think in some countries it's a little bit easier, whereas in others it is a bit challenging. But I think that is the main point on how do we actually make AI real and have a sense of value that we can attach to it.
And now talking about countries and the differences, is there any observation that you make from a Europe perspective when you look at the DACH region or Germany maybe specifically?
Yeah, I said it this morning in our opening. I think there's an interesting paradox in the German market. So where Germany, in all of its glory, is actually the highest adopter of AI technology behind the US currently. So that's one element of it. And then I also see a very more conservative or a little bit of a held-back approach towards the AI developments with regards to data sovereignty and security. So I think those two are actually quite a good fundament of sustainably integrating AI into processes. So I see it as a big opportunity, but it doesn't make the process easy every time.
Well, that sounds great for us. And is there any tip or anything that you would say to organizations that want to start today, let's say, with any RTI or analytics and AI project?
No, definitely. I think when you try to implement AI, it's such a broad mission, right, that you want to do within your organization. My tip is always try to find a one use case where it's not just about data and the analytics, but also a process where actually an action can take place. Because then with the data foundation and AI, you can actually move into the agentic world where you can also take action, or agents can take action based on all of the foundations that you've built. So make it small, don't make it big. Identify the value, and then also make sure that it is something that you can actually action upon instead of only insights.
Yeah. It's all about the use cases, isn't it? Thank you so much.